MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
We had a chance to drive the updated 2025 Porsche Taycan earlier this year, packing additional performance and range behind a tweaked exterior. And there's even a new Turbo GT model built for more EV excitement. That trip took us all the way to Spain, but we recently found ourselves much closer to home for our first drive of the 2025 Taycan GTS outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Like other Porsche models with the GTS modifier attached, the Taycan GTS ups the game without going all out, with particular attention to handling. Available as either a four-door sedan or wagon dubbed the Sport Turismo, the GTS rides on a specifically tuned suspension with standard Porsche active suspension management and Porsche torque vectoring. Available is model-specific Porsche Active Ride, using an air suspension system to mitigate body roll and adjust static height for entry and egress. Still, the GTS doesn't skimp on the extra protein. Dual motor all-wheel drive now provides 596 horsepower. The temporary overboost function cranks that up even higher to 690 horsepower. The Taycan GTS now has almost 700 horsepower. That's just ridiculous. That is with the overboost function, so that is absolute max power, which you can tap into with my favorite button, push to pass. Let's go ahead and push it now. 10 seconds, full power. That's just good stuff. It doesn't get much better than that. The 2025 Porsche Taycan GTS is yet to be EPA certified. However, we expect overall range to be marginally better than the previous model's 246 miles. With the new GTS starting at about $150,000 or $152,000 for the Sport Turismo, it's no average EV in terms of price, nor in terms of performance.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.